It's popped out. Yeah. Yeah, it's popped out. I've ridden this bike for 500 miles, and it's finally time to do the must-needed upgrade for the Throne Srpnt. Biggest flaw that the Throne Srpnt has is this factory headlight. Doesn't do that well in the dark, gets you by on the street. We're going to be upgrading today the WARP9 Big Light Kit. What up, YouTube? We are testing out the new WARP9 bars today and the new Big Light Kit from WARP9 later tonight. Immediate upgrade. Everybody needs to do this to your Emoto. It is a must-do mod. Stay tuned to the end of this video. You might just be able to get a pair of these for free. No purchase necessary. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out the deets on how you can win a free pair of WARP9 bars in gold. So flashy for your bike. It's a little bit chilly today. It's like 55 for us. Just go ahead and get warmed up here. Couple wheelies. I'm gonna soften up the front a little bit because it does slam down pretty hard, and I don't like the noise it makes. Nah, that feels better. A little better. Oh, we got D-monies. Happy Thanksgiving, dude. I know, you didn't bring a jacket?
Well, I thought it was gonna be hot.
Going to this damn spot. Bunch of f***ing glass. Is that a fire? A little bit of a journey to get to that spot, but it's all Gucci. I think there's a way in. Yeah, there is. What's up, bumpers? I love our little route we've kind of figured out. Been here before, gang. If you watched the last video, it's the same wash spot. Oh my god. Sketch. If you're struggling to see at night, WARP9 Big Light Kit is definitely something to look at. Now, it is a pretty big light, so that's going to be subjective to whether or not you like that. I went more for functionality than looks. I wanted something that was big, bright enough, especially out here in the desert. It gets extremely dark. It's just something that was a necessity for me. It is a direct pairing option for their direct mount stem. New bridge spot unlocked. I love this cool little spot. I'm gonna figure out how we're gonna get around this. Oh shit! Should've went right here. You want a Lay's chip? You want a Lay's? I think it's dislocated, dude. It's popped out. Yeah. Yeah, it's popped out. Oh, oh, okay, we're good. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Yep, that feels weird. You made it to the end of the video. Now it's time to find out the details on how you can win this Warp 9 bar. All you gotta do, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment saying that you will rock these bars. 2 weeks, selecting a random comment. The winner will be announced on the Instagram page at Mr. Mrhansimoto. That way you can stay up to date and find out if you are the lucky winner. Video is not sponsored. I will cover all shipping costs and hopefully get this to your door by Christmas. Appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna go f*** off now.